Hi, this is Mugdha Godse and you're watching IndiaGlitz.com. Desi glamours. Always had the glamour quotient there since modeling, then fashion, uske baad, all the films, all the best and all. The glamour chhodta hi nahi hai, lekin I'm sure if that's the thing. So an item number glamour, and this is little desi item number. So I think that works really well, and I'm really happy about it that people are liking it. Yeah. Sahibi Gangster returns. I wanted to be a part of this film, and Tigmanshu sir always wanted to work with him, and this is the beginning. So why not with an item number? And Ajkal item numbers also are doing really good, and the song I heard was really nice, and I have never done it before, so मैंने सोचा why not? So yeah. Actually, frankly speaking, I didn't get much time to practice. Just एक दो दिन की rehearsal हुई because it was very cut to cut and last minute. But yes, in those दो दिन में भी I did my best and I rehearsed. So even Longy, he's a choreographer. He's like नहीं 2 घंटे की rehearsal ठीक है ऐसे नहीं 8 घंटे की करते because I have lesser time. But but it's a very satire number and it's very different. So a lot of expressions and a lot of more than the movement is the feel of the song. So I think that's what the forte of this song is. Working with Tigmanshu sir was really good fun, and that strict part and the perfectionist part is definitely there in him, but that just makes our life easier because we don't have to do much thinking work. We just have to listen to him, do what he wants, and do at our best, and our job is done. So it's very nice to work with such directors who are very perfectionist and very strict. So फटाफट काम हो जाता है, मस्ती मजाक में काम हो जाता है, and it's nice. I had so much fun that time. Yeah. Frankly speaking, Irfan, I didn't shoot with him, but he used to come on the sets because they were shooting other scenes in the afternoon. We were shooting the song, but he's not in the song. But then, of course, he is another fun guy. But when he's acting and when he's normal, he's different. That's what I figured. So a lot of things. There's a lot of things in life which keeps you busy. But yes, right now I'm just finishing my movie, which is tentatively titled No Rules for Fools. It's opposite Vinay Pathak and a new director, Mr. Chaudhary. So yeah, it's a very mad film. I'm doing a Punjabi role, so I was learning a little bit of Punjabi and trying to get that accent. So abhi dubbing tak I'm going to try and be in that zone, and that should be out soon. So that's another different Mugdha you'll get to see in this year. So I'm happy there are different scripts going on, and life is good. Yeah, it's been since very long I want to do a Marathi film. So when I get the right script, I'm definitely going to do a Marathi film because Marathi is my mother tongue, and I think I can do a nice good Marathi movie. Yeah, that's in the process, but I don't know the status of that film because the producers will let you know exactly what's its status. But yes, that was that's why it has all started. But you never know, something else also will come up. But Marathi cinema is one of the very interesting cinema in these days. So I would definitely like to be a part of this. Yeah. I would love to. Earlier, I used to think I'm too thin for it, but now that's the response I used to get. But I think now things have changed, and now they are altering the whole fashion to like Bollywood and and then South films are becoming different. So yeah, I wouldn't mind, definitely. See, it's nothing like that. I wouldn't mind doing another number also. It's nothing wrong in doing, but now in your own film also you have so many songs and item numbers. So I'll be doing that, but if there is something good come up, why not? Because it's work, and it's always people like it, and you can adai dikhana and doing something different, and the song is always nice, so why not? Right now I'm looking at doing good roles and being part of good cinema and working with one of my favorite directors. So and meaningful roles. Of course, meaningful does not include all the madness, but I want to do all the madness also. So anything which is fun, I want to do it, and that's first thing. And definitely I'm very happy with my career, the way it's shaping, because it's me who's making the decisions, and whatever decisions I have made, whether it's worked on box office or not, that's not it's nothing in my hand, but I'm always happy with what I have done, and always wherever I'm comfortable, I'm happy, I'm doing that, and that's what the mantra of life should be, and that's what I'm following. Yeah. Women, औरत हमेशा ही we are always on top of the world, and we are the strongest people. We have the essence, and I think whatever we do it with a heart, and that's why we never fail. And yes, I just want to wish everybody happy Women's Day, and by celebrating Women's Day does not make us anything but more special. I think my favorite actress Vidya Balan has changed a lot of things for actress's career. I think she has from Dirty Picture to Kahani. I think she has really changed the game, and every actor, means female actor want to would love to be on that path, and she's opened that path for all of us, so the lifespan increases. And of course, another my favorite actress, Tabu, her movie had just won 4 Oscars, Life of Pi. So women in Indian cinema is going really different horizons, and it's just making life much easier for actors like us, and I feel really good. So thank you guys. I am a big fan of Rekha ji, and I love her film Khoobsurat, and of course a lot of film Rajan and everything, but I know Khoobsurat is something I really feel that I would love to do it. It's something different, something very me. I'm actually like that in my personal life. Nobody knows that, but then that will be really my personal favorite. One line from my song, so you want me to sing it? Yeah. So, my God, why don't you just plug it in and watch me lip singing it? But media say it's my first time. No, please go and watch it, guys, and I'm sure you'll love it, and watch the film as well. Story goes along with it, so you'll enjoy it.